Hey Brainiacs! Decades ago, while immersing myself in mathematics, I noticed that some students really didn't like math. Often, they'd avoid it at all cost. So as I proceeded through college and time marched on, I noticed that this ambivalence to math in students was more the rule rather than the exception. The question of why someone is attracted to math and others were repelled intrigued me so much that on top of my math degree, I did a relentless amount of research in the steps it takes and the blockades that must be overcome to become a mathematician, or at least to become good at math. In my research, I found two factors that are foundational. Call them the first two tickets that get you into the stadium. These two things should be dealt with before proceeding forward in math. It's possible to survive math without them, but it's better to have them. One of those two things we are going to talk about today. So what are the first two steps? The first two steps are: 1, you must have a mathematics laboratory or sandbox. This for sure will be a future video. The second thing you need is a big enough why. In essence, why do I need math? Now this is a big topic, and I have several videos on this that are not quite ready in our videos queue. But today, I'm going to read what another mathematician wrote in her book, Conquering Math Anxiety. Math anxiety is another topic, but we here at Alien Institute believe in dealing with mathematics as a whole, comprehensively. Everyone, even the best mathematicians, have some anxiety, but a good mathematician learns how to leverage it. Anyway, let's get to this mathematician's thoughts on why math is so important. Why math? Why is math so important? Math is far more than the ability to calculate, memorize formulas, or solve equations. Many students don't understand this. Math trains your mind to think logically and succinctly. It requires you to perceive patterns, observe relationships, clarify and critically analyze problems, deduce consequences, formulate alternatives, test conjectures, estimate results, and enhance all of your problem-solving abilities. By sharpening your reasoning and thinking skills, you can become more productive in all aspects of your life. Math provides you with the resources to comprehend the barrage of information that is communicated to you each day. It gives you the ability to be a more critical reader of anything you read, from newspaper reports to research articles to insurance policies and loan documents. Math logic, reasoning, and thinking ability help you ascertain possible risks or fallacies, to unearth biases, and to come up with suggestions and alternatives. It's no wonder that so many careers require math skills. Employers want to hire individuals who can solve problems, who can think clearly on the job, and who can deal with new ideas, ambiguity, and change. We are constantly being flooded with technological advances, new scientific discoveries, new knowledge. Are you prepared for this challenge? Not bad. This mathematician comes at it from the angle that a person who is strong in math strengthens all areas of their life. I definitely agree with that. So if your answer to why I should become good at math is now to become a better version of yourself, for sure that's a good starting point. All humans were born to solve puzzles. That's the way we are all wired. Just remember, there have been many scientists throughout the ages that were not attracted to math at first. But as their curiosity in the sciences grew, and they found out that math cracks the codes to many mysteries of science, right there, in that moment of time, those particular minds, those future scientists, actually obtained their why.
Hey, Alien Institute crew, don't forget to strike the like, subscribe, comment, and share. Also continue learning by watching more AI videos.